there are 20 logs in a particular place. They are stocked in the following manner, that is one above the other. In the bottommost row there are 20 logs. In one row above that bottommost row there are 19 logs, and above that there are 18 logs, and above that there are 17 logs. Like that it is stacked there. So it is going to follow an AP. You can see that there is one common difference. D value is going to be 1. Your A value is 20. Your D value is going to be minus 1. When the stack moves up, it is reducing by minus 1. Now first we are going to find out the number of stacks there. That is, already we know that total number of logs is 200. So we are going to use that and find n value. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to substitute the values. Sn is 200. 200 is equal to n by 2 into, our a value is 20, so 2 into 20 is 40 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So take this 2 to the other side, we will have 400 is equal to n into 40. When you multiply inside, you will have minus n plus 1. So 400 is equal to n into 41 minus n. That is 400 is equal to 41n minus n squared. When you bring everything to one single side, you will have n squared minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Now to find the value of n, we are going to factorize this quadratic polynomial. We are going to split the middle term. Your product term is 400, sum term is minus 41. Now you are going to consider 25 and 16. Since the answer is positive, both are going to be negative because the sum term is negative, so the bigger number should be negative. So accordingly this should also be negative. So minus 25 into minus 16 will be 400, minus 25 plus minus 16 will be minus 41. Now you can write this as n squared minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equal to 0. n into n minus 25 minus 16 into n minus 25 equal to 0. n minus 25 into n minus 16 equal to 0. n minus 25 equal to 0 implies n is equal to 25. n minus 16 equal to 0 implies n is equal to 16. So the total number of rows in the stacking can be either 25 or 16. Now we will find an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to find A25. A25 will be the first row at the bottom is going to have 20 plus 25 minus 1 into d value, that is your d value is minus 1. So we will have 20 plus 24 into minus 1, that is going to be minus 24, which is minus 4. This is not possible because in a row there cannot be minus 4 logs. It is stupidity. You cannot have something like that. Number of logs can be only positive value. It cannot even be 0 logs. It should be a positive integer. So 25 is not possible. So let us consider A16. A16 is going to be, your A value is 20 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 1, that is 20 plus 15 into minus 1, that is minus 15, that is equal to 5. So we have found the answer for both the questions. The first question was to find the number of rows in the stack. Number of rows in the stack is 16. We have found n is equal to 16. Because n is equal to 25 is not possible. And the second question was to find the number of rows in that topmost row. The topmost row is the 16th row. In the 16th row there are 5 logs.